Hello everyone, good morning. Now we will start revision of PT first syllabus. Your chapter is perimeter and area. We are doing revision today, perimeter and area. Perimeter, what is the perimeter? First thing that we can find out the perimeter of closed plane figure. We can find out the perimeter of closed plane figure. Means that figure should be closed. If it is open, then we will not take the word of this perimeter. Perimeter is basically what? Any shape if we take, suppose I take this one closed figure, any closed figure we are taking, then length of this boundary is called the perimeter. It means we start from A to B, C, D, E, F, G, then A. Then length of this boundary, इस boundary की जो भी length होगी total, this is called the perimeter. Suppose it is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of given closed figure? What we will be do? That we start from A, then continue move in one direction. Maybe you can move in clockwise direction and maybe you can move in anti-clockwise direction. Then when we start to move like this, A to B, B to C, then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5.5, 7.5, 11.5, 12 or to 14. It means what is the perimeter of this closed figure? That is 14 centimeter. We can see that this closed figure is made by the line segment. Here AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GA are the line segment. So this closed figure is made up of line segment. So we can say that perimeter and these line segments are called the sides of the closed figure. So we can say that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. In any closed figure, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Now see some examples from the book. In this, it is given to you, shape of different kinds may have the same perimeter. Okay. Suppose you have a wire of 5 centimeter. You have a wire of 5 centimeter. Wire 5 centimeter, from this 5 centimeter, I can make like this rectangle. You can make triangle. You can make circle. You can bend this wire into circle, have a perimeter 5 centimeter. So different shapes, different type of shapes may have same perimeter. अलग अलग शेप का भी पैरीमीटर सेम हो सकता है, बिकॉज दे हैव बीन मेड फ्रॉम द वायर ऑफ सेम लेंथ. क्योंकि हमने क्या लिए? सेम लेंथ की वायर लिए, तो देन वी कैन ड्रॉ एनी टाइप ऑफ प्लेन फिगर फ्रॉम द गिवन लेंथ ऑफ वायर. And we know that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. It means we will add all the sides and you can find out the length of the given closed figure or given wire. Okay, in perimeter we have triangle, we will find out the perimeter of some closed figure like triangle. In this triangle, we know that there are three sides. We can say A, B, C. There are three sides. Then what is the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides is with A plus B plus C. Sum of all sides. Similarly, if I take rectangle, in the perimeter of triangle we know there are three type of triangle: scalene, isosceles and equilateral. Scalene, all the sides are different, it means all the sides like A, B, C, then perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Isosceles, any one side, any two sides are equal. Suppose I take two sides A equal, then this become 2A plus B. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. It means 3A, or we can say perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by side. And if you know that equilateral triangle is a regular polygon also. Regular, a figure, a polygon which has all sides equal is called regular polygon. And equilateral triangle is one of the example of regular polygon. Next, see rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. In this rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. If this one A, then this one also B, B, then this one B. Or this one you can denote by the length also. Then what is the perimeter of rectangle? P is equal to, if I take like this, L plus B plus L plus B. It means twice of L plus twice of B. 2 multiplied by L plus B. We can say 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Twice of length plus breadth. If it is a square, in the square we know that all the sides are equal. So what is the perimeter of square? A plus A plus A plus A. 4A, it means 4 multiplied by side. So we can say perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth, and perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Square in which all the sides are equal, it means it is also a regular polygon. So square is also one of the example of regular polygon. So we can find out like this perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. Now see the next thing. See in the book, formula for perimeter of a rectangle. In the first, test your understanding. In test your understanding, there is given closed figure. Then we can add sum of all sides and can find out the perimeter of given closed figure. Formula for perimeter of a rectangle, we already find out that is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Then it is given to you some questions related to perimeter of rectangle. Now see, application of the above formula means how to we want to use the application using perimeter of rectangle. One question, examples of this exercise we already solved in the previous video. So today we will discuss about the exercise. See in this exercise given to you, find the length of rectangle. Exercise 15A, question number 2nd. Find the length of the rectangle if the perimeter and width are. It is given to you that perimeter is equal to 86 centimeter. Width is equal to 18 centimeter. And you have to find out length of rectangle. Then what we will do for this solution? We write down firstly formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth or width, same thing here. Perimeter of rectangle according to question, this is 86 centimeter. Now 2 multiply length we have to find out, or you can take length also x centimeter plus width 18 centimeter. Now you can say let length of rectangle is equal to x centimeter. So this becomes as an equation. Now how to solve this equation? This one is in multiplication of this. So when you change the side or transverse, then we will take in division. 86 by 2, that is 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now see, in RHS side, this 18, these are the same type of constant. So this 18 is in positive. So when you transverse it, then it will come into negative. This type you can find out 13 minus 8, 5, 3 minus 1, 2, 25 centimeter. So at the end we can say, therefore, length of rectangle is equal to 25 centimeter. So this type we can solve these questions. It is very necessary for solving this. You have to take a knowledge of equation, how to solve an equation also. You already studied in your equation chapter and we will use here. Now see another question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. Your question number 4th of the book. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 350 meter, of length 350 meter and breadth 250 meter and breadth 250 meter at the rate of rupees 18.50 per meter. See here. Find the cost of fencing. ये fencing क्या होता है? Of a rectangular park. एक rectangular park है. Suppose ये book मान ली rectangular park है. This one rectangular park. Fencing क्या होता है? Fencing that we apply the wire around it. कि हम उसके चारों तरफ ऐसी वायर लगा रहे हैं ताकि जो भी एनिमल्स वगैरह है वो एंटर नहीं कर सके इस तरफ से. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग द फेंसिंग हेयर ऑफ अराउंड ए रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क. तो हमें फेंसिंग लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है उस वायर की. फेंसिंग करने के लिए कितने वायर की रिक्वायरमेंट है. देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट. फेंसिंग हम पूरा रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क के बाउंड्री के चारों तरफ लगा रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द perimeter of the wire, or we can find out perimeter of rectangular park. Then we can tell, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 350 meter, length 350 meter rectangular, then length same and breadth 250 meter. Okay, now see, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length this at the rate of this. It means perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 multiply by length plus breadth, 2 multiply by 350 plus 250, 2 multiply by 600 is equal to 1200 meter. Find the cost of fencing per meter. This is the perimeter. It means जो इसके अराउंड वायर लग रही है या फेंसिंग की जा रही है उस पूरे की लेंथ कितनी है 1200 मीटर एंड 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट कितनी है रुपीज 18.50. देन वी कैन से द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग around rectangular park is equal to 18.50 multiply 1200. Now do 12 5s are 60, 12 8s are 96, 96 or 6, 96 or 6, 102, 102, 10 carry, 12 ones are 12, 12 or 10, 22. Now 1 2, it means rupees 2220 rupees. So this type we find out the cost of fencing the rectangular park. Okay student, your 15A exercise now you can do perimeter of rectangular shapes. Regular shapes we will discuss in the next lecture. Then you can do revise from this video your 15th chapter. Thank you student. Have a nice day.